Hello everybody. Today's tutorial will be how to create this splatter or shatter effect. You can do it to images or you can do it to text, even text as well. So let's start. We'll add a new page, and first of all we need some elements. Okay, for today's one I've chosen balloons. So we just go to elements, type in balloons, and this is the one that I chose. So I chose this because there's three different colors and I can show you how to do it. Okay, so you adjust it to how you want it to be. Okay, now we go back to elements, and this time we look for splatter. Now if you have a pro version, all of this will be available to you, but if you have a free version of Canva, there are only limited images that you can choose. So we go to graphics, choose graphics, and let's choose two or three. So one of them could be this. This is free. Now if you look here, it says Pro with a crown there, so we can't use that. So we'll just put that there for now. Okay, so we've chosen that. It says Magic Recommendation. Let's see if there's something in there. You can choose that. Okay, that's a good one. That's what I chose earlier. Let's just go for these for now. Let's see if there's something else that we can. Maybe not thick ones. Maybe that's pretty good as well. Okay, so now we've got our choices here. Let's start. Um, I'll put this down here for now. Let's just put this all down here. There is a reason for that because later on we might need to group it, and when we group it, sometimes it's not easy to group it. Okay, so we'll do that. Now the first one we'll do is let's do this one here. Now we need the color needs to be the same as this one, so that's easy. When you click this blue one will be highlighted. You click that. And since you may not be able to get the exact match, Canva is pretty cool that way. You can click on this plus icon and then this dropper, and then you can choose the color you want. So you move it here and you say you want blue. So that's it, it's blue. Okay, now let's just make a duplicate of that and just keep it here for now. Okay, next is that one. Now you can put it, you know, straight to this, but I prefer to do it here so that I can, sometimes when one is overlapping the other, it gets a bit difficult to group it. So this way it's easier. So let's just make a duplicate of that. And this time we bring it here and we change it to white. As usual, you go up here, that's the color. You change it to white. Now that's because you want to show that the balloon has shattered. Okay, you change that to white. Next, let's take this one. Let's duplicate that as well and make that blue. Uh, so we go back to dropper. If you notice, it's covering the white splatter that we put there. So you go up here to position, you click backwards, and you see the splatter effect is now visible. So you just move that a bit to show that it's it's sort of like exploded. Now that one you can move it closer. You can adjust it the way you want it. Now this one goes over to the side. That's fine because when something splatters, it goes all over the place, right? The next one, what you can do now is you can try to group this. Okay, you hold the shift key, you can group that and group that. Okay, you group it and you duplicate it and then you move it. Okay, now this, as you can see, the color is all different. So what you can do, you can ungroup it for now, and that one, let's flip it horizontal so it's that way. go to the colors again. Let's choose dropper and this one as well. No, not that one. Let's move that aside. This one. So go to the dropper. Kind of move it around. We can make it a bit smaller. And we take this and put it there. You can do another one, duplicate that, and this time you can maybe make it smaller and flip it. You see what I'm trying to do here? This one, a bit closer. You duplicate that and you bring it over to this side. In here, ungroup it because you need to adjust it a bit, right? So you move that down here first. That one, you can flip it again. Now change the color to, it's quite fast, you know, pink. That one, same thing. Now sometimes you can choose the color here. It's a bit, here you go. And you can duplicate that again. Smaller. And that. Now if you see the white here, you bring it back up again. This one as well, you can bring it closer up here. Now, if you feel like, okay, you can just ungroup it for now. You can add another one, so it looks as if it's splattered. Now, another thing is if you find that this it splatters like it's like clear splattering, so to speak, what you can do is you get that, you get the right one, of course, or you just choose another one. Okay. Now you duplicate that and you just bring it here. Now again, it looks as if it's quite sharp. So what you do is you go up to transparency and you just make it a little bit transparent. And you just bring it down. So it looks as if it's coming up. It's being, slowly it's exploding. This one, because it's bulging. That's it. I mean, you can do whatever you want. You can go and do more or do less. I mean, this one you can make it. It's up to you. Now, for now, let's just remove all of this. Okay. Now, we want to do. See, this is the one I did earlier. We want to do like balloon. This is for the text, right? So you go to text. You just add a heading. In this case, the heading that I wanted to add was balloon. So you can make it as big as you want. Now it's the same thing. You can choose one of this, right? You duplicate it and you bring it here. Smaller maybe. And then you get the white one, duplicate it, and put it here. This one you can change the color now. It's to black. Now in fact, remember the white one, right? We can duplicate it and we can actually put it here and change it to black. So it looks as if, so it doesn't have to be just white. So let's do that again and make it seem like it's really shattering. You can do the same thing. What you can do now is you can just choose those, okay, group it, duplicate it, and bring it over here. ungroup it because we need to shift things around. Now that one, you can duplicate another one, flip it horizontal, move it a bit, maybe that. That one, you can maybe smaller, bigger, position it to the back, and flip it this way. Just move it a bit. Just you can shift it and do whatever you want. I mean, basically, it's yours to move that around as well. That, duplicate, or you can just, in fact, delete that, duplicate that, bring it down here, and there you go. You see? And this is how you do it. It's quite easy. It's just a matter of doing it the way you like it, how you want it, just adjust it. So this is how you do the splatter effect or the shatter effect. I hope you like it, and if you did, please do hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you're notified when I put up another video. Bye for now.